Hi everybody, today we'll be breaking down one of the most famous ideas in game theory, the prisoner's dilemma. But instead of using classic police interrogation, we're going to look at a real world situation that can be applicable to our own lives. My example that I picked is YouTubers deciding whether to clickbait their video titles. So, imagine two YouTubers, Alex and Jordan, who release videos every Friday. Their audiences overlap a lot, so the titles and thumbnails directly affect each other's views because they're direct competition from each other. Each creator has a choice. They can make a genuine, accurate title, or they can use clickbait to try to drive more views and attention. If both use accurate titles, their videos perform well and viewers trust them. If one uses a clickbait title and the other stays honest, the clickbait video gets boosted, but the other honest video drops. But if they both use clickbait, then the viewers get annoyed because both the videos are false. So both the views go down. So we can represent this with the game theory payoff matrix. This matrix has numbers that represent how many views each person gets with each scenario. So if they're both honest, they both earn 8, which is a solid amount per week. If Alex clickbaits and Jordan stays honest, Alex gets a 10 and Jordan gets a 3. So it's very beneficial to Alex, but Jordan would get a 3, so not great for him. If they both use clickbait, they both drop to 5, which is very bad for the long run. A dominant strategy is the best choice a player can make regardless of what the other player does. Here, clickbait is the dominant strategy for both creators. If Jordan is honest, Alex gets 10 by clickbaiting. If Jordan clickbaits, Alex gets 5 by clickbaiting, which is the same for Jordan. Because both independently choose their dominant strategy, the outcome becomes clickbait. The outcome, which would be 5-5, is the Nash equilibrium. Neither player can unilaterally change their choice and get a better payoff. But, ironically, that equilibrium is worse than if both cooperated by staying honest. This is the prisoner's dilemma. The individual incentives push both players towards a worse outcome. So, how can Alex and Jordan escape this trap? One effective way to escape is a repeat game agreement. For example, a mutual pact or even a public no clickbait challenge. When the game is repeated weekly, breaking the agreement risks retaliation in future rounds. They might also share audience analytics, collaborate on videos, and use a tit-for-tat strategy. By increasing trust, communication, and future consequences, cooperation becomes beneficial for both parties. This YouTube example is great because it shows this on a very basic level that we can all understand in our daily lives. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.